Into the vortex. Understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the meaning and use of the phrase, into the vortex. This is a fascinating expression often used in English, and by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of what it means and how to use it in your conversations. Let's get started. Into the vortex is a phrase that evokes the image of being pulled into a powerful, swirling force. Originally, a vortex refers to a whirlpool or a similar phenomenon where there is a circular motion of liquid or air. In a figurative sense, when someone says they're going into the vortex, it often implies that they are being drawn into a situation that is intense, overwhelming, or hard to escape from. It can be used both in serious contexts and more light-hearted situations. 1. In a literal sense, the ship was caught into the vortex of the storm. 2. Figuratively in serious contexts. After joining the political campaign, I felt like I was pulled into the vortex of constant debates and controversies. 3. Figuratively in casual contexts. I went to the mall for one item and was sucked into the vortex of holiday shopping. Each example showcases a different way this versatile phrase can be applied. The term vortex has its roots in Latin, where it was used to describe a whirling motion. Over time, its usage expanded in English to describe not just physical swirling motions, but also situations that have a metaphorical pull or intensity. Understanding its origin helps to appreciate the depth and richness of this expression. When using into the vortex, ensure that the context is appropriate for a situation that is intense or overwhelming. Avoid using it for mundane or trivial situations unless you are being intentionally humorous or ironic. And that's a wrap on Into the Vortex. I hope this video has helped clarify this interesting phrase and given you confidence to use it in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words, but the stories and images they evoke. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to get into the vortex of English language learning. See you in the next video.